Hello and welcome to the Ensemble video training series. In this video, we'll take a look at the Workgroup Manager tool. The Workgroup Manager tool allows the portal administrators to view all of the workgroups that exist within the portal. From this tool, admins can also make changes to several of the workgroups' details, including the workgroup member list. Let's start by navigating down to Portal Tools, Manage Workgroups, Workgroup Manager. This will deliver us to a page where we can see every single workgroup inside of our portal, as well as a quick glance at a couple of the details for each one. One of the actions we can take from the screen is to create a brand new workgroup. That's done by clicking the New Workgroup button and filling in the details. Type in the workgroup's name and a short description. Next, choose the user that will be this workgroup's manager. After you've chosen a workgroup type and a template, you're ready to click OK to save this new workgroup. For more information about creating workgroups, be sure to check out our workgroup management training resources on the Support Center. Another helpful feature found on this Workgroup Manager's page is the search bar. The number of workgroups in an organization can get pretty lengthy. Searching for a specific workgroup from this search bar makes finding the one you're looking for quite a bit easier. Once you've found the workgroup that you'd like to manage, use the drop-down menu next to the workgroup's name and choose from one of the options in the list. Selecting Members gives the administrator the opportunity to edit the users that belong to this workgroup. Use the Add Remove Members button at the top of the page to make those changes. The second item in our drop-down menu allows the admin to make changes to the list of assistant managers of the workgroup. Just like before, we can use the Add Remove button at the very top of this page to edit the list of users. However, there is one very important second step that we must take. Simply adding a person to this list does not get the job done. We must also use the drop-down next to the person's name and select Edit Permissions. Here we can customize the extent of this user's permission as an assistant manager. And just don't forget to click the OK button to save this list. Next we have the Pages button. Here we can take a look at the pages that exist inside of the workgroup. Clicking a page in this list will show that page's details out to the side, which we can edit, or we can go ahead and click on the hyperlink to visit that particular page. The buttons at the top of this page can be used to create new pages or folders inside of the workgroup. The workgroup usage meter tracks how much activity your workgroup is getting. There's some pretty useful charts and data that can be viewed here. Maybe one of the coolest parts about this page is the fact that we can subscribe to the workgroup usage report. Just click subscribe at the very top, select which items that you'd like to be alerted about when they change, and then click next. Here you can select how often you would like to receive this alert. When you're finished, click Finish. Selecting Delete from our drop-down menu will remove the workgroup, all of its pages, islands, and information from the portal. You'll want to be absolutely sure you intend to delete a workgroup before going through this process. After clicking Delete, you'll get a short message to ensure that this is really a good idea, and then click Next. The last page of this process is an opportunity to let the members of this soon-to-be-deleted workgroup know that their workgroup has been removed from the portal. Our last item within the drop-down menu is Properties. When we choose this option, we can edit a few of the details of this particular workgroup, including the workgroup's manager. Thank you for watching this video, which detailed the Workgroup Manager's portal administration tool. For more videos just like this one, please visit support.passageways.com to access the Passageways Support Center.